Hi, I'm Michael Powers. I'm the owner of Barry's Gutter and Home Repair. I've been using Barry's for 10 years across various projects, and then 2 years ago, I decided to buy it and help keep this family owned business going. I'm really proud of the work that we do and the people that work with us, who we hire, and how we execute every job to the highest standards. I'm also really proud that for 60 years, Barry's has been a number that people call regularly whenever they need something the most.
I started in 1958. A gentleman in the neighborhood hired me, Mr. Schmidt. Well, he got sick, and then he got so bad off, he said, "Do you want the business?" He gave me an old box of wooden tools and 2 wooden ladders, and that's how we started. Now I'm actually working for my customers' grandchildren.
The Better Business Bureau Torch Award is really an acknowledgement of life spent serving customers to the highest standards, treating workers ethically and fair, and being a part of a community that we really care about.